Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so happy that you are here. My name is Alicia and today I'm going to lead you in a Kriya for a positive ego. We oftentimes think of the ego as something negative, but there are positive aspects. In this class, we are going to expand our self-concept and embrace all that is positive about us. So I invite you to come on down into an easy pose and we'll get started. Welcome back. All right, we will tune in with the Adi mantra, Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. I bow to the divine wisdom within. Kundalini Yoga is a devotional practice to yourself, to your body, to your energy, and to your spirit. Bringing hands to heart, take a nice breath in to begin. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Floating into stillness, noticing the reverberation of the mantra in your subtle energy field. Coming to your breath, checking in, noticing where you're at today. All right. For the rest of this class, we are going to be on our knees. So if you would like a pillow, I invite you to go get one. Coming on to your knees. All right. Bringing your hands up, we're going to tuck our fingers into the mounds of our hands, thumbs pointed up, bringing your arms straight up. We will be doing a breath of fire. Breath of fire is a panting breath through the nose while you pump your belly, making sure that you are going at a nice steady pace. If you start to feel dizzy, just go to long, deep breathing. We close down our eyes and we focus on our third eye. All right, let's begin. Take a nice deep breath in, squeeze your glutes, squeeze your core, elevate your energy, feel the energy come all the way up to the crown of your head. Reach those arms out nice and strong. Give yourself that inner bear hug, squeeze, lift, expand. Exhale. We're going to drop our fingertips to our shoulders. Fingertips in front, thumbs in back. Inhale, arms come up into a V. Exhale, come down. Closing your eyes, focusing on your third eye. Inhale up, squeeze, lift, elevate your energy, stretch your fingers nice and wide. And exhale, relax your hands back down to your shoulders. Final posture, keeping your eyes closed, keeping your gaze in your third eye. We'll begin panting breath of fire. Deep breath in. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your core, channel that energy up, up, up. Elevate. Exhale. Relax your arms down. They likely feel a little sensitive. Invite you to float into a quiet meditation. Tucking chin to chest. Placing your hands down on your knees to ground the energy. All right, coming back into a seated position. Bringing hands into Anjali Mudra at the heart, we will close with the mantra Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Sat Nam, beautiful being of light, of love. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. I do hope that served. If it's your first time here, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave me a comment and let me know how you got on. If you are looking for support on your yoga journey at this time, I have many sweet offerings for you, and I will leave a link down below in the description. Have an amazing day, my friend. Bye.